hello, my loves. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel today. So today, you guys, we have such a great job, you guys. We have such a great job. This is coming in from the Block Corporation. This corporation actually is the parent company of Tidal. It is the parent company of Square, Cash App, all of them. This comes straight from their company, you guys, and this job is too good to let go. This job pays up to $225,000. It is fully remote, full benefits, and no degree required, you guys. Let's jump on this job today. You guys, go jump on this job because this job is too good. I mean, too good to let go, you guys. So this job is fully remote. It has full benefits, you guys. No degree required. You guys, go get that virtual resume rewrite session. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session and rewrite your skills, you guys. Rewrite your experience. The virtual resume rewrite session, I am telling you everything that you need to put on your resume so that you guys can land this job. When I tell you, I'm telling you everything you need to put on your resume. I'm talking about I redid your bio, your skills, your experience, everything that you need. It is all in the virtual resume rewrite session. It is a pain-free, think-free, thought-free. All you do is copy and paste on the virtual resume rewrite session, and boom, you got your professional resume, a professionally rewritten resume, you guys. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session and get to work. And did I mention that session is pay in for, you guys? Pay in for. Pay me later. Most of my clients, when I tell you, they have landed interviews, they have landed their jobs even before their second payment is due, and I am so happy for you guys. And listen here, my shout outs of the day, these are for the people who took the leap of faith, did what they needed to do, rewrote their resume, and landed their six-figure job. I don't know what you are waiting for. Hey, tomorrow is not promised, but one thing that I know for certain, if you don't get at it, you're going to look up a year later and you're going to still be in the same place. Y'all go get that virtual resume rewrite session and land that job. Be a champion for your family, y'all. Y'all go get it. All right, so let's get into the shout outs of the day. And when I tell you, my shout outs of the day are so magical, I absolutely mean it. So we got Marcus, you guys. So Marcus, he was a Greyhound bus driver, okay? Greyhound bus driver. He now makes $189,000, you guys, as a program manager. Y'all better stop playing with him, okay? He now makes $189,000. Marcus, I am so proud, so happy for you because, baby, you did it, okay? You did it. Okay, so we have Miss Lisa. Miss Lisa used to be a hairstylist, y'all. She used to be a hairstylist. She said she wanted something that is more consistent with her cash. She got the virtual resume rewrite session. She said, Sam, I need some help. Hey, she got it. She got her job for $156,000 as a compliance manager. She now works remotely from her house, y'all, from her house. Then we got Miss Kalani, you guys. Miss Kalani, she got a job for $160,000 as a project manager. Y'all go give it up to everyone who got their shout outs of the day, who landed their jobs. I'm so excited for you guys. You guys keep going because just because you landed those good jobs does not mean that there are not other good jobs out there. So keep going. And for those of you who have not picked up the virtual resume rewrite session, what are you waiting for? These jobs will not wait on you. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session, okay? All right, you guys, so we got the shout outs of the day. And this shout out of the day, this is very personal to me. So that is why I'm putting it out here. The shout out of the day is, well, not the shout out, the inspiration of the day is lean on your God. Lean on your God. A lot of times we start to doubt ourselves. A lot of times we start to tell ourselves that we are not enough, we're not good enough, but our God keeps telling us every single day, you are worthy, you are good enough. And like I said, this is from my own personal, this is from my own personal just just inspiration. My God keeps telling me, Sam, keep going, keep getting up, keep helping people, keep doing all that you're supposed to do. I know that you are facing, I know a lot of you are facing many challenging times, but one thing about it, if you lean on your God will not leave you. He will not. So that is the inspiration of the day, is to lean on your God, child. Lean on him, okay? All right, so let's get into this job, because when I tell you, this job is so good. This job is way too good to let go. So let's get into this job right now, you guys. Let's go. All right, you guys. So what they are looking for this job, they are looking for a senior regulatory program manager, you guys. This job is very simple and it's easy, you guys. Go rewrite your resume. Go use all of the skills, the experience, everything that I put in the resume template kit, so that you are able to land this job. I'm giving you guys exactly what you need to say to land this job. This is no work, no think. All you have to do is cut, copy, and paste and go apply for this job, because this job is that good, you guys. Okay, so let's get into this job right now. And like I said, this job is a skills-based job. Go get the PayPal. Go use PayPal. Go use the PayPal Pay in 4. I'm telling you exactly what I know that you need to say to put on your resume. I want this as simple and super simple, super easy for you guys. Cut, copy, paste, tweak it a little bit, but you guys, use that virtual resume rewrite session. No work, no think, resume rewrite kit, okay? All right, so let's get into the job description. You guys, you can read the company description if you like, but this is the job description. It says the SFS compliance team is looking for a creative senior program manager to play a pivotal role in expanding the bank's current product line into customer lending. This position will be responsible for creating and then administering the bank's consumer lending compliance program, acting as the compliance subject matter expert for the new product's ongoing compliance management. You will report to the head of compliance management systems, you guys. So that is how super simple and easy this job is. They are looking for a program manager. They're not asking you to do the job. What they're asking you to do is help to manage the team, you guys. You guys have this in you. You're probably doing it at home. A lot of you guys are stay-at-home moms. Some of you guys are in different fields. Some of you guys don't even have management experience. If you do not have any management experience, if you are a stay-at-home mom, if you are transitioning, you need the virtual resume rewrite session, so I can tell you guys exactly what you need to tell them to make it look like you do have the experience, to make it look like that you have done everything, okay? So go get that virtual resume rewrite session and get to work. So let's look at the primary responsibilities. Let's go, you guys. Let's go. Okay, so it says that you will create long and short-term project management plans, including setting targets for milestones and adhering to deadlines. You guys, today I cannot go through it because I do not have my virtual resume rewrite session. I'm actually in another country. I'm so sorry, you guys. So I will be breaking it down as soon as I get back. But this one, it says create long and short-term project management plans, including setting targets for milestones and adhering to deadlines. Lead and liaison with cross-functional teams such as marketing, risk management, operations, and legal to ensure alignment, delegating, and overseeing assigned tasks on the project. identify potential compliance risks and considerations to the project scope or timeline, and escalate to program leadership quickly while making appropriate milestone adjustments, adhere to program and project delivery best practices, make effective decisions, or prepare an analysis on alternatives when presenting with multiple options and how to progress with the project, communicate and prepare regular reporting to senior management regarding implementation status and ongoing goals, serve as a primary second line of defense resource for compliance related information, assist with the implementation of consumer lending compliance policies and procedures, lead collaboration with other SFS compliance teams such as financial crimes, policy management, and compliance training to successfully integrate into the consumer compliance program, conduct compliance regulatory risk assessments for consumer products and services, participate in audits and regulatory examinations, assist in addressing deficiencies and help prepare responses, and complete additional projects and duties as directed, you guys. So, use the power words and phrases, you guys. Break this down line by line because in here, I'm going to tell you, I cannot tell you the exact paragraph, but I am going to tell you. This is project management. Use everything, all of the experience that I give you on project management, on risk management, on communicating with shareholders, on decision making. So those are the paragraphs that you are going to look for. Use all of the experience that I give you guys in the virtual resume rewrite session to rewrite your resume. Like I said, the reason why I created the virtual resume rewrite session is because I know what they need. I know what they want. I want you to give them exactly what they need on your resume. You guys have to remember, just this one piece of paper can change the entire course of your life, you guys. This is so important. You cannot do it with a regular resume, you guys. Go pick up the virtual resume rewrite session and use all of the skills, use all of the experience, use everything that I am giving to you guys so that you can give these to the employer so that you can get hired, you guys. This job is $225,000. You guys, go get this job right now. Stop playing with yourself, okay? So let's get down to the qualifications right now, you guys. Let's go. All right, so the qualifications, it says a minimum of 10 years experience in management of consumer CMS program. So, and you guys, a lot of you guys say, I don't have the experience. I don't have the experience. If you use the virtual resume rewrite session, you will look like you have the experience, okay? And then when you land the job, call me. We'll go through the interview questions. We'll go through the interview questions, and you guys, go land this job, okay? I want you to worry about getting the job first before you say you don't have this or you don't have that. You do. Use the virtual resume rewrite session to make it look as you do, okay? So you guys, I give you guys the skills, the experience. I also do your bios for you, and I give you the titles. You have to learn how to rename yourself on these resumes to look like you have the experience, okay? It says 3+ years experience in program or product or project management, you guys. Experience in a banking environment is required. Experience with Jira or Notion and documenting standard operating procedures. Proficient knowledge of consumer protection laws and regulations. Ability to understand legal and regulatory concepts and convert them into relevant practical business requirements, ability to interface effectively with counterparts and partners, ability to own projects and successfully meet established project deadline requirements, ability to develop and implement new policies, procedures, Strategies and work processes. Ability to teach complex concepts and workflow to a range of audiences. Comfortable with living in ambiguous, you know the word, at times, with an eye towards continuous improvement. Excellent oral and technical written skills, you guys. Now they go on to the preferred qualification. It says CR destination or similar preferred, you guys. So that's preferred. That is not required. That is not required, you guys. So let's get into the pay and the benefits. That's what y'all came here for. Let's get into the pay and the benefits. When I tell you guys that this pay is life changing, they even offer you guys a work from home reimbursement. A work from home reimbursement and free access to caregiving, legal, and discounted resources, you guys. So if they're giving free caregiving. So if you guys have someone at home that needs to be taken care of, they're giving free caregiving, okay? So let's get into the pay in this job because this job is too good to let go. Okay, you guys. So this job for Zone A, it starts off at 184,000, and it goes all the way up to 225. For Zone B, we're at 171,000. It goes up to 209. For Zone C, it's 162,000. It goes to 198. And for Zone D, it's 152,000, and it goes up to $186,000. You guys. So it says full-time employee benefits, healthcare, you have a savings plan, retirement plan, employee stock, wellness, paid time off, paid sick leave, uh, paid parental and caregiving leave. You also have learning and development resources and additional perks such as work from home reimbursements and free access to caregiving, legal, and discounted resources, you guys. Y'all go rewrite your resume for this job, okay? Go rewrite your resume. Use the virtual resume rewrite session to, hey, I laid it all down for you guys. So you have all the skills, all the experience, everything that you are going to need to land this job. I tell you exactly what to say, you guys. Go get the virtual resume rewrite session and get to work, and it's paying for pay me later or whatever. So if you have kids at home, if you have someone that you need to take care of, this is the job for you. Okay, you guys, like and follow for more. Like and follow for more, you guys. And hey, pour into yourself. I'm going to keep telling you to pour into yourself because if you don't pour into yourself, nobody will. Pour into yourself. Do what you need to do. Go get that virtual resume rewrite session and have a great, amazing, blessed, productive day today. You guys have a great day. See you on the next video. Bye.